Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is a beautiful 2022 Contender 39 ST. So what we're going to do is kind of walk through the boat. I'll pick up some options on it and kind of show you what makes the boat unique. As you can see, this one has a stepped hull. This boat is built for speed and performance. So this one's powered with the Yamaha 425s, and this one does have the factory Hellmaster, which is a big deal. The color we have here is Whisper Gray, and then underneath their hardtop's the same thing. So the owner has maintained this with an open checkbook. The boat is absolutely spotless, and it gets washed every couple of weeks. It gets detailed every 2 months. So he's taken very good care of it, and it really shows. So this is your preferable power here, the Trip 425s. Cruise on this boat, it's fast. I mean, you're going to be in the neighborhood of 50 miles an hour and wide open throttle in the neighborhood of 70. So if you're running offshore, going to the Keys, going to the Bahamas, or even fishing like kingfish tournaments and you like the speed, this boat definitely does it. So a couple of things here. We pointed out the stepped hull. That's where we're getting our speed from. Contender is known for high quality, excellent engineering. All the products they use are top shelf as far as vinyl, stainless steel. The wiring is impeccable. So Contender builds just a really, really nice, heavy duty, excellent quality. So let's jump on inside and we'll go through some other things. Get these on real quick. And as you can see, there's no scratches on the skegs and the boat's been well maintained. So she has approximately 185 hours in the motors. All the service is up to date. What a lot of people like about the boat, has a huge cockpit all the way around. All of the hinges and all of the fasteners and stuff, all super high quality. As you can see, the boat looks close to new. He takes really good care of it. But if you're a fisherman in mind, you've got this pops out right here, so everything's easy to get to. You have a huge frigid rigid cooler that slides out. This just comes back down here. Bolsters all the way around, freshwater wash down, saltwater wash down. And here's where the cool stuff's at right here. So if you'll take a look at the listing, you'll see the same this boat on Boat Trader, Yacht World, MarineMax.com. This boat probably has a page and a half of options. So I'm going to point out some of the basics. We've got 17-inch screens right here, GPS chart plotter. This one has the big 6-foot open array. Now this is the Hellmaster right here. So it's very, very important to get it system matched from the factory. This is much more reliable than the Optimus, which is actually a third party. Digital throttle and shift right here. The Yamaha vessel view right here. She also has autopilot, great sound system, and this is actually pretty cool right here. You've got an enclosure that goes all the way around. So at speed, you're totally protected from wind, rain, and things along that line. Going up front, this particular seller put a Rodan troll motor. So this is a 136 volt, 120 volts. It's got the spot lock on it. It's got its batteries and everything. That was in the neighborhood of around $12,000. Comes with it. The boat has a lot of canvas that comes with it, which you can take a look at in the video. But tons and tons of space. Gigantic fish boxes all the way around. And you've got basically, this is made to be a lounger coffin box, if you will, but you've got storage on both sides. And then underneath the helm, this is kind of cool how this works. So this just pops out right here, and plenty of room. So we have a fully enclosed head right here that pops out. Battery switches are here, but take a look at the wiring. The wiring's amazing. Everything is in loom. Everything's perfectly straight. So we were talking about attention to detail. You definitely have it with this. And you do have separate chargers, one for the mains and another one for the Rodan up front. This one has a Gemlux outriggers. Stainless steel poles are not currently on the boat. Also included in the sale, the owner has a Viking life raft, one of the portable ones, and Spot Zero, which is the machine you put the water in has a filtration system in it, so when you wash the boat down, it doesn't get water spots on the boat, and that's about a $7,000 option. Not option, but thing he's got for it. But as you can see, this boat is incredibly nice condition. 2022 39 ST, 425s on the back, and boat's located here at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like some additional information, give me a call. Again, my name is Jeremy Bradshaw. My number is 941-376-3345. Thanks for taking the time. Hope to talk to you soon.